and in today's video we will be creating this kind of cool looking profile photos for your social media. These designs are fully customizable. Now let's jump to the video and see how to create it. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is to isolate our subject from the background. Select this quick selection tool and make selection around the subject manually. And you can click on select subject. Photoshop will automatically make selection around the subject. To refine the edges, click on select and mask. Here we can refine the edges. Let's increase its opacity to 100% and pick a contrast color so that we can clearly see our selection. Scroll down, increase its smoothness, feather and contrast, and make sure the contrast value is higher than feather. Also decrease the shift edge. It will contract the selection. When you are happy with the selection, hit OK. Now click on this button, it will remove the background. Now the subject is isolated, so let's create new document. Go to file and choose new. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl N. Because the social media profile are square, I wanna go with 1080 by 1080. Switch to this document, select the layer and press Ctrl C to copy it. Go back to this document and press Ctrl T to paste it right here. Now as you can see, it is too large. Press Ctrl T to open transform tool and resize it accordingly. Confirm it when you are happy. Now because we don't need this layer, let's delete it. Hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click on this icon. It will create a new layer beneath the selected layer. Now create a new gradient adjustment layer and select any gradient that you like. You can also customize it. Click here and here you can change its color. I wanna choose the gradient that I already saved. Also change its angle to 45 and then hit OK. On top of it, create another gradient adjustment layer. This time select this black and white gradient. Click here to edit it. Select this slider and change its location to 50. Select this slider, also change its location to 50. Create another slider right here and change its color to black. And then hit OK. Change its angle to 45 and then hit OK once again. And now all you need to do is to change its blend mode to screen and drop down its opacity to 30%. And there we have. Okay, now this is done. Select all of these layers and group them together by pressing Ctrl G. Also rename it 1. Now it's time to create the second one. Let's duplicate the group by pressing Ctrl G. Rename it 2. Also hide this one. Open the group and delete all of these layers. Hold the Ctrl key and create new layer. Create new solid color adjustment layer and pick very bright color. You can choose any color that you like, but I'm going with this color. Hit OK, select this layer, right click on it and choose blending option. Click on drop shadow. Position 8, play with these settings and when you are happy, hit OK. And now it is done. Now it's time to create this one. So duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J. Rename it. Hide this one, open the group, remove all of this effect from it, double click on this layer and change its color. You can choose any color that you like, but I'm going with the yellow color. Now select the ellipse tool and draw a perfect circle just like this. Double click on it and change its color to white. Also drop down its opacity to 40%. Now right click on the subject layer, click on stroke. Size is 10, position is outside and the color is white. Hit OK. And now it is done. This is the first one, the second one and the third one. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you did, subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post any video. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.